that feeling when one meal is bringing you back directly to your childhood? That kind of meal which is not only food but is packed all around with family moments, night memories and everything what is blowing your mind? This kind of meal is on today's menu. Meet Tavche Gravche, Macedonian very traditional recipe which is not only baked beans. Why? I will tell you through the video. Preparation of Tavche Gravche is very simple. We have one joke in Macedonia when we want to explain how the process is easy or complicated. We say all the time as simple as preparing beans or Tavche Gravche. To speed up a little bit the process by cooking, I soak the beans overnight in the cold water. It's very important the water to not be warm, to not pre-cook the beans. So the first water is always going in the sink. We are not using it because this is just dirty water. Our beans are drained. Now I will start the cooking procedure. In the pot, I will put these beans together with again cold water. But I will boil them only 5 minutes. This water will go again in the sink. Why? Because this is taking out the bad carbs and no bloated belly after eating these beans. The beans are now going to be cooked. In the meanwhile, I will prepare the ingredients for the sauce. I will shoot only 2 for the sauce and of course 2 or 3 on top for decoration.
Luto.
No, this is not chili, but I will ask you to give me the chili ones, if you want. In the Macedonian household, we are always fully loaded with this kind of special ingredients. Dried paprika, a small one, and trust me, very chili. From this I will take only 1. Okay, the water was boiling 1 time. You can see the foam, white foam. These are actually the bad carbs which need to be taken out of the beans. So I will put this water inside the sink and will refill with the fresh water, but warm this time to not stop the cooking process. Now we are starting to prepare our sauce. Very easy, very simple. I place 2 tablespoons olive oil in the pan. I can see that it's already getting hot, so I will start with onion and dried paprika at first. They need longer to be cooked, so we will give them their time. This process of cooking takes around 7-8 minutes until onion gets glassy, and then we can continue with the other ingredients. When the onion is already glassy, it's time for the garlic. I will continue by adding around 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. When we are coming to the sauce, homemade tomato. Around 2 cups. So now it's time to dig in the life inside the sauce. Of course, we are not Macedonian if we are not putting Bukoska in everything. This is spicy crushed chili pepper, so be careful how much you are adding. I put around 1 teaspoon inside this because we like really good spice. Second must-have ingredient, smoked paprika. One teaspoon of Vegeta, black pepper, and a little bit salt. Mixing everything up, and we will let it all like it is to cook for around 10 minutes. After around 1 hour cooking, beans are cooked but not completely because the cooking process will continue inside the oven. So what I did, I separate the water from the beans. So now I will mix up the beans with the sauce, and from the cooked water I will use only as much as is needed to fill the baking pot. I will not mix too much because we don't want mashed beans. We want to have the beans full form. Traditionally, Gravche Tavche is baked inside the terracotta pots. So we like to have it as a separate portion. So we love this small terracotta pot. So I will start with full filling. Now it's time for the special ingredients. I got a fresh delivery from the barbecue. Only this?
What, you want more?
Of course.
Small one.
Not enough. More.
Unbelievable. Dinosaurus.
Sometimes. One more. Extra dried red paprika for decoration. But we just love to have it like this. For us, it just makes sense. Okay, wonderful. We prepared them. Now it's time for baking in the oven around 180 degrees Celsius, 40 minutes around is absolutely enough. You will know when this is finished, when a little bit skin is coming all around the edges from the pot, and it just looks and smells wonderful.
Finally, time for testing. You can take care about the bread, I will take care about the other food.
No.
In Germany, we're using a knife.
We are in Macedonia. In Macedonia, simple, very simple.
I'm cheating on my country.
I'm just
For what I need a fork. To be honest, it tastes better.
You listen to me.
You ain't my mother.
It's optimal baked. The beans are now completely soft, but you still have a bite and they are not mashed. It's just, I just wish that you have possibility to smell it, to taste it, but we will do it for you.
I have an idea. Stop talking, continue eating. You will watch from the beginning that you can cook it. You will make a big thumb up for a nice like for us. You will subscribe to the channel to support us. Hopala. And you will, how should I say it? Yeah, you will more and more enjoy Macedonian and German cuisine.
If you want to see more Macedonian recipes, you can continue to watch this video. But if you are interested in German cuisine, then you can start to watch from this video. Enjoy!